The question for consideration is as to whether it is permissible for an employer to fill any subsequent vacancy caused over and above the number of vacancies advertised, and in case the number of vacancies advertised is 10-5, whether the selection process comes to an end and stands exhausted. In such an eventuality, there remains no sanctity to the wait list. As to whether it is permissible for the employer to fill up the future vacancies which came into existence subsequent to the conclusion of the selection process from the wait list show prepared para. It is a settled legal proposition. The authority cannot fill up vacancies over and above the number of vacancies advertised, as it would amount to filling up the vacancies which have occurred in future, and that would be violative of the fundamental rights of the candidates who become eligible subsequent to the advertisement, as held by the Honorable Supreme Court in Union of India and others versus Ishwar Chandra. The Honorable Supreme Court quashed the appointments made over and above the vacancies advertised, holding that such an action was neither permissible nor desirable for the reason that it would amount to improper existence of power, and only in a rare and exceptional circumstances and in emergent situation this rule can be deviated from, and it can be done only after adopting policy decision based on some rationale, as the authority cannot fill up more posts than advertised as a matter of course. The court further held that selected candidates have right to appointment only against vacancies notified, and that too during the life of the selected list, as the panel of selected candidate cannot be valid for an indefinite period. Moreover, empaneled candidates in any event cannot have a right against future vacancies. It has been further held